President Trump's rationale for tariffs is rebuilding the U.S. manufacturing base. And here to tell us why that's bound to fail is Yahoo Finance senior columnist Rick Newman. Why so, Rick? Explain it.
Well, that's a dramatic pronouncement. Okay, I'll go with it. So for what it's worth, if you just go back to basics, why is Trump doing this? What is this all about? This is all about rebuilding, as he says, the U.S. Manufacturing base, as if we have no manufacturing in the United States. That is not true. Industrial output is close to record highs in the United States. Industrial output basically goes up over time. I mean, it goes down during recessions like many things, but the trend line is upward. What goes down over time is manufacturing employment, and that's just because of efficiency and technology. So in manufacturing is only 10% of U.S. GDP. I think it peaked at around 33%, 35%. That was about 40 years ago. And it's now just 10% of GDP. So Trump is going through all this trouble, driving stocks down, raising the odds of recession, probably more layoffs, and as an effort to try to help just 10% of the economy. And like, even if he were able to boost that by, if you could boost the manufacturing sector by 10%, that would still be just 1% added to its portion of GDP. Most of the jobs in the United States are in the service industry, and that includes restaurants, retail, that's services. You might call those sort of blue collar-ish parts of service, but it also includes professional services, business services. Trump has nothing to say about the huge part of the economy where most of the jobs are. And if you were just going to look at the overall economy and say, how might we, turbocharge growth? I don't think you would say, let's only look at manufacturing. I think you'd say, how do we get more people into the technology industry, whether you have a college degree or not a college degree? How do we get more people to take advantage of artificial intelligence? This idea that we're going to, someday once again have assembly lines with people, making T-shirts and socks. Those jobs, we're just not going to do that. And if we do it, it's going to be robots and machines that do it, not people.
Rick, thanks as always. Appreciate it.
Hi, guys.